You are welcome to comedy. I am the principal. Fuck up and
if you follow school to comedy, my brother, yourself with the life. Follow school to comedy.
How you doing, my guy? Which one I go show for you today now?
Abadi is not close. I'm not seeing anything today, Abadi.
Huh?
No seeing today.
What you come bring you come my shop?
Abadi is my wife.
My wife?
My wife.
Is she sick?
I'm suspecting she's cheating on me.
Oh shit!
She's cheating on me. I'm suspecting.
For you to even suspect it, that means she's cheating on you.
Eh?
Yes. Because that's how women are. Before, men used to cheat more than women. Now, women used to cheat more than men.
Hey.
Yes, now. So, once you suspect your wife is cheating on you, don't worry yourself. Go and cheat back.
Okay.
Cheat on her back.
I should cheat.
Cheat.
You know you can be prosecuted for
Once
that.
you cheat on your wife, call me, tell me you have done it. I'll buy you 2 bottles of beer.
I should just go and cheat.
You don't know me. I believe in do me, I do you. God don't go vex. An eye for an eye.
I'll cheat.
Cheat on her.
Thank you, my friend.
I will buy you 2 bottles. Once you just call me, tell me that you have done it.
I'm going to go and cheat.
I'll buy you 2 bottles. In case you know anybody wey wan sew cloth.
Okay.
Carry them come our shop this season. We dey sew. Hey, carry them come. Hakla apparel.
Okay, I clap apparel. But ma go cheat first.
No wahala.
If I cheat finish,
No
I'll clap
worry.
apparel. Okay.
Tell them we specialize in female wears, male wears, children wear, bridal wears. Tell them make they find us for Instagram. We dey there. Hakla apparel. No forget.
A few moments later.
Follow school to comedy, my sister. Yourself with the life. Follow school to comedy. When you forget your sorrow.
You don't mean it. Okay, you have cheated on your wife. Correct. How many rounds? 3.
You were not informed.
Hey!
Eh?
Don't worry, I will fulfill my promise. I will show you that I'm a man of my words. I'm coming. You will see me now, I'm coming.
For inside school too, many things they happen, many things never. You go laugh, you go tire, you go be like say na jazz. You know they too for time.
1 round, 2 round, 3 round.
Hey! You don't mean it?
Marathon.
Correct. Give me 5.
He was just saying, don't leave me.
Don't leave me.
Yeah, you cheat on my wife.
That won't fit them.
Yes.
Women used to cheat on men. So you cheat on them back. Even me, eh?
Yes.
I'm planning that. Maybe next week or next 2 weeks. I'm gonna cheat on my wife.
My baby. My baby.
No.
So, I thought you said you were going for prayer meeting.
Hey.
Do you ever? You know say my wife be this.
Jesus!
You know say my wife.
Jesus!
No.
I don't know about this. I don't know.
Now I try to give you. I said make you use a kiss.
Mo gbé wọn handicap. Mo kọ́kọ́ gbé ngogo kò lọ. Mo gbé 1.5 kò work. Mo sá ní 2.5.